Okay, so let's continue my piece of artwork. This will be the finale touch. Sometimes I do continue my artwork like half an hour or an hour and then finish it later or next day. So let's finish it right now. Of course, I love this gloves. Feels powdery and comfort. So actually, we're almost finished. Touch for the leaves and the edges, so it will give perfect frame. See you. Okay, I'll just use this because I think it is more convenient because my color palette is already mixed with other colors and I'll use that later. Ouch. Oh gosh. Yes, I am an artist of my own. It's my hobby. Ta-da, ta-da. Smell that? Anyway, but I'm very careful not to stain everywhere, and I always have a liquid solution in case. And I always utilize all my acrylics. It is a lovely color. Okay, let's gonna take this off. Voila! Golden edges. Oh, sorry. Yes, one of my hobbies are painting, drawing, caricature, or making industrial architectural design, or cartooning, carving, mixing colors, lettering. I think all types of used by hands and fingers. It's just I'm too imaginative, especially. It feels like my fingers have own brain and heart. I think being artistic is also being adventurous. I like to explore different places or even food, or that's why I like traveling. It's almost the same with art. You don't stick or just be contented just for a simple boring drawing. Sometimes it naturally expand your imagination or widens your creativity side. It's just someone's personality. I think that's really me. Especially if I'm really happy with the result. It's very relieving. I think this canvas, this one of my, I really put an effort. It's not like a quickie as I usually do. It's not like 10 minutes or 1 hour. I think if there's no art in the world, I don't know if the world will be that challenging or interesting. without colors, without architectures. I think if there's no art in the world, the world will be just like a blank space or blank paper. Doesn't matter if it's in a modern way or traditional way. Art is life. Even the way you look is an art. The way you smile.